Extended Detection and Response, XDR. What is it, how it works, and how to select the best XDR. Let's talk about it all. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Think of XDR as the command center for your enterprise security solutions. It doesn't just look at one part of your computer or network, it analyzes everything. Essentially, all your security solutions connect to a unified dashboard, which is your XDR, and from there, supposedly you can manage your entire detection and response lifecycle. XDR is like a team leader that brings together specialists from different areas: email security, endpoint protection, cloud security, network defense, and much more, ensuring they work together to provide a clear picture of security events in real time. This happens through integration. All your enterprise security solutions integrate with the XDR, which allows the XDR to ingest data from these security solutions to have a 360-degree view, making it more effective at detecting and responding to threats in a centralized manner. So think EDRs, NDRs, SIEMs, firewalls, cloud security, and others integrating to a single command center. The XDR analyzes and correlates traffic across the entire security ecosystem for the fastest and best detection IR capabilities. And if you're thinking, this is amazing, where do I sign up? Well, everything I've said explains what an XDR is supposed to do, not what it actually can do. See, while the concept is amazing and there certainly are some serious contenders offering XDRs, a lot of it is just hype from vendors. It's a sales pitch for the next buzzword, the next solution that is supposed to solve all your security problems. And we all know how that usually goes. In reality, it can be quite confusing because the same vendors who only yesterday were offering a SIEM or an EDR or a firewall are now claiming they offer an XDR. So your job is to separate the hype from reality. Now, how do you pick the best XDR? The answer is simple, but not that easy. It all comes down to your current ecosystem of security solutions in place and the features that you seek from your XDR. You also have to decide between open versus native. For example, if you're using Microsoft in more than 80 to 90% of your enterprise, meaning your primary OS is Windows, you use Microsoft Office, Microsoft Email, you have Microsoft Sentinel as your SIEM, and you also use Azure for your cloud workloads, then it makes sense to go for Microsoft XDR because your ecosystem of security solutions is primarily a single vendor. You have a homogeneous environment. Now, if you have a number of different security solutions, then you want to go for an open or hybrid XDR for better integration options. In short, a native XDR is more suitable for a homogeneous security ecosystem, while an open or hybrid XDR is better if you have a diverse set of security solutions, sort of the best of breed. A key point here is, even if you're going for an open XDR, picking the solution that works best for you is critical. For example, Exabeam has an open XDR alliance, and CrowdStrike also has an open XDR alliance, but the members are not exactly the same. So it'd be very important for you to pick the one that better suits your needs. In a nutshell, an XDR is great, but make sure you assess third-party out-of-the-box integrations, features that you're looking for and that benefit you most, and most importantly, the XDR real-time detection and response capabilities. Because the worst thing you would want is to connect everything and integrate it to your XDR only to find out that the XDR solution itself is failing miserably. And finally, here are some of the top players in the XDR game in no particular order. We have SentinelOne, CrowdStrike, Microsoft, and Trend Micro. And with that being said, have a good one.